Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna dive into Python dictionaries today. Stay with me. What we have here is an exercise that wants us to write a program to count the votes for an election. The input will conclude some lines. That first line is total number of votes, and following lines will conclude candidate names. And the output will be number of votes for each candidate in alphabetical order. Here is the input example and output example, and you can take a look at them. What I want you is to think about it and write it. So pause the video here and write the code yourself. But if I want to help you a little, is that first try to count the number of votes and then make it alphabetical. Making it alphabetical may be a little hard for you. So pause the video here. I will tell you the answer. So how did you do? Did you do it? Let's see how my code is. At first, I have defined a number here that use input to get number of votes and make it integer for sure. Then I have created a list to use this in my for loop. In my for loop, I have appended the names of candidates that are arrived in each input again and again, as many as the number of votes are, and make a list for it. Then I have count each candidate's votes, and I have put them in dictionary. Here I have made a new dictionary, and then in a for loop I have made the keys name of candidates and the values the number of votes. So until here I have counted the votes. After here I want to make it alphabetical. I have again made a new dictionary, and for each part in my dictionary that is my old dictionary, of course keys of it, I have added new members to my new dictionary. That the key of each member is the first letter of the candidates' names, and the value of it is the candidates' names. How can this help me? This can help me to compare the first letter of each candidate's names, and it's definitely helped me for making it alphabetical. So let's see how does that work. Here I have used a while so that this loop continues until my new doesn't equal a empty dictionary, and I have defined a first variable that is the minimum of newdict.keys. So what I have done here is to find the first candidate name that must be written in an alphabetical order. So I have done everything. I have to print now. I have print newdict first, and what does that mean is to print the value of the first letter. That is my value in my newdict. And then print in front of it my newdict first. What does that mean? Let's begin from here. Newdict first means the value of my new dictionary, that is candidates' names, and my dict when comes here means, say, the number of votes that they have. And here I have deleted the candidate that I have printed from my new dictionary so that it doesn't continue forever. So let's run our code. Number of votes. I will have 4 votes, 3 votes for AA and 1 vote for BB. It's working correct, it's alphabetical, and it's counting correct. But still there is a kind of major bug here. What if the first letter of candidates be like each other? Let me show you. What if one of the candidates' name be AA and the other one be AB? What will happen? You see that it didn't even count AA. So what's the problem? Try to debug my code and write your code in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.